Hi, in front of me is OUKITEL C33 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Autofill. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. You need at least one to make them visible. In order to fix it though, you can click on this gear right next to Password Manager and make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled. Then log into one of your apps and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. After that, your password will appear over here. Now to add any other ones from those settings, select this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input website data, or click on Select App and tap on the one that you wish to add, like maybe Disney Plus. Finally, you can enter all of those crucial informations, like username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you're done, just click on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added to Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!